Man, I did not see this for me today. I thought this was gonna be easy, breezy, beautiful cover squirrel. I don't know. I have my doubts. Okay, wait, hold on. I think I'm doing it. Am I? Why do I do this to myself? I did this. Hey team. Hey. Cool. My name is Estrella Daniela. For those of you who don't know me yet, I am a travel vlogger. I'm cooking my way around the world, or trying to at least. And today I'm pumped. I am ready. I am excited, but I feel pretty confident about this one because there's like minimal legit cooking involved, and by that I mean like on the stove. I'm so excited. I'm so ready. Mostly I'm excited because I'm bringing 2 recipes your way today because I found kewpie mayo. I'm ready to try this. I've wanted kewpie mayo for a while. I'd heard about it. I don't know why or where. I've never been to Japan, so this is kind of surprising to me. Why do I know so much about kewpie mayo? Actually, I know nothing about kewpie mayo. So today's recipes are an egg salad sandwich that you could find in a Japanese convenience store in Japan, and tuna mayo onigiri. I found this like pack of rice seasoning, so I'm definitely gonna be trying some of that. I'm getting into it today. I'm gonna have fun. I'm going to feel free. We're starting with the egg salad sandwich. My hard-boiled eggs are boiled hard. I went down this YouTube hole about a year ago or less. Every once in a while, actually, I find myself going down this hole of looking at videos of Japanese 7-Elevens. I think it's fascinating. Japan is on my list of like top 3 countries I want to go to, and I'm like slightly concerned that I'll get there and just like spend most of my time walking around every single 7-Eleven I can find. I mean, if you've been to Japan and you have some insight to share on Japanese 7-Eleven, comment below and let me know because I am deeply intrigued. Okay, here we go. So I'm working off of a recipe from these 2 guys I found on YouTube, Tabi Eats. I will share that video below. It was like 3 in the morning and I watched them make this egg salad sandwich and I was like, this is pretty much everything I want to eat right now, 3 in the morning. Let's do it. But I've never made this, so this is a first for us all. Crush. What? Cool. Well, see, I could do this all day long. Okay, that's good enough. The Tabi Eats folks used about 3 tablespoons for their 3 eggs. So I'm just gonna like eyeball that. Wow. What an interesting experience. I didn't eat enough to really know what was different. And then we add some salt and pepper. Apparently I'm supposed to be using white ground pepper, but I don't have any, and they used black pepper, so I'm gonna use black pepper. Honestly, for this recipe, I'm feeling great because I'm just winging it and going off of my own personal preferences. Then the last thing we add is a little bit of sugar. I really don't know what I'm looking for with the sugar though, because I've never put sugar in my tuna salad. This isn't tuna salad. In my egg salad. I actually never eat egg salad. Okay, let's try it. It's really good. It needs something though. Maybe more salt? Maybe more sugar? Maybe more mayo? No. What do we think? Let's try it now. I don't feel like there's anything particularly special about this right now, which is why I'm wondering if I need to be putting more of something, and I also don't know really of what. But maybe it's just really like an egg salad sandwich, just mostly hype. Apparently I was seeing that this is a really trendy sandwich now. In LA, it's like a hit. I feel like I just want to keep adding sugar until I can taste some sugar, because I'm at this moment unsure of why there's sugar in it. I think I'm just gonna end up eating this whole bowl of egg salad just by trying it at this rate. That one I have the sugar coming through. Like, don't get me wrong, it's really good. It's just, maybe I had like really high expectations for what this experience was gonna be like. That's my egg salad. off to the side. So the bread. I know that in Japan they have this milk bread, I think is what they use for the tamago sando. I don't know if this is it. I went to my local Japanese market and this is the bread they had there. So if this is good enough for my Japanese market to sell, then I think that this is gonna be fine. This is the egg salad sando experience. Time to try it. That's some fluffy bread. It's delicious. This is really good. I can see myself making this fairly regularly. First off, it's very simple. Second, it hits a spot, you know? Yeah, good. Into it. A little snack to tide me over. I have my Japanese rice ready to go. I just need to boil it and then we'll be making onigiri. And we're back. Hello? I will say I took a break. I just finished cooking my Japanese rice. I can link the recipe that I was working off of. Very helpful. It's from just one cookbook. I'm looking at how to make sushi vinegar, but it seems easy enough. The thing that I'm wondering though is, what I was gonna say is, so in this break, I inhaled the rest of my tamago sando, and I ended up adding more kewpie mayo to the egg mix, which was a game changer. I think I just didn't have enough mayo. It was delicious. I'm sorry if my reaction didn't seem like I was very enthusiastic. I think I just had really high expectations of what that experience was gonna be like, and it's not that I didn't have those expectations met. I don't know. It was an egg salad sandwich, but it was delicious. Oh, this is what I was saying. So this recipe that she's giving me is enough for 3 rice cooker cups of Japanese rice, like uncooked. I only made 1 US cup of uncooked Japanese rice. So now do I have to like go do math and figure out like what I divide this by, because this is gonna make a lot of sushi vinegar. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, well, man, I did not see this for me today. I thought this was gonna be easy, breezy, beautiful, cover squirrel. So they used 2 cups of rice. How much whites are you using? So I'm gonna cut this in half. So if they have a ½ cup rice vinegar, I'm gonna use a ¼ cup. I can do this. I can do anything. ¼ cup of white sugar. A quarter of a cup? Oh, Jesus. I'm an idiot. Okay, that's this much. Well, if this comes out tasting nasty, I'm gonna be really bummed out, but I think that it should be okay. It's a lot of sugar, it seems, but whatever. And then I think they said 1 teaspoon, tablespoon? I should look that up. A teaspoon. Just a teaspoon? So then 1 teaspoon of salt. It feels strange pouring this all into the rice, but I think it'll be good. This is interesting. It was very thick, this sugar. I don't know. I have my doubts. It's kind of like, you see, there's all this vinegar. It makes me feel like we put too much vinegar. Maybe it's just the pot? Okay. It's really sweet. It's not as vinegary as I thought it was gonna be, but it's definitely sweet. Ah. So I was like, I'm just gonna cut this recipe in half. So the original recipe calls for ½ cup of rice vinegar. I was like, cool, ¼ cup. Then I read from the original recipe, a ¼ cup of white sugar. And I was like, great, ¼ cup. And I also put in the original 1 teaspoon of salt instead of cutting both of those items in half. That's why this tastes really sweet. Should I just have like sweet onigiri? Is that a weird thing to have? What do you do when this happens? Do I like add water? Ugh. Why do I do this to myself? I did this. No one else is to blame here. I did this. I'm really bad at cutting recipes in half, and I know I'm bad at cutting recipes in half, and I always try. You know what? I did this to myself. I'm gonna live with the consequences. I'm gonna eat this rice. Now I know, but I'm not gonna let this bowl of rice go to waste. So, the recipe I'm making today is tuna mayo onigiri. I am following the recipe of a YouTuber, Tokyo Eats. But I went to the market to look for some tuna. I have no idea what I bought. I know it is tuna. It has an ingredients list. So this one has tuna, soy sauce, sugar, great, more sugar, shaved bonito, roasted onion, salt, fish sauce. I think I'm gonna go for this one. I'm just gonna see what happens. Interesting. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna try and break up as much as I can so it becomes almost more like a paste. Can't believe I messed up. I was like, I feel really confident about this recipe because it doesn't require much cooking. Clearly, the cooking isn't the problem. So about like a tablespoon? Definitely gonna add more. And more. This is looking dry. Great. This is gonna be good. Okay, so this is the part I am nervous about. I have to make these into little triangles. I anticipate it will be challenging, but it's definitely one of those things that just requires skill and time and practice. I'm gonna cut this into thirds. Okay. I have my salt, my water. I need to, with my hands nice and wet, take some of my rice. I don't know how much. I have small hands too, so wait. Hold on, go back inside. Make some salt. Okay, so I put salt on my hands, and now I have this little strategic way to show you. This little indentation here that I'm gonna put my tuna in. I don't know how much is too much. Ooh, and then this is the part. This is it, you guys. I'm supposed to just be able to form this little triangle. Okay, wait, hold on. I think I'm doing it. Am I? Okay, actually, ooh, nope, it's falling apart. It's falling apart. Why is it falling apart? But it's fine. Maybe I'll just squeeze a little bit. I remember her saying not to squeeze too hard because then it will just get really compact. Oh boy, this is not triangle vibes at all. Does it have to be a triangle? Can it just be like a ball? If I don't touch it anymore, it will stay like a triangle. Also, look at all that is stuck to my hands. Maybe I didn't have enough water on my hands. Lots of maybes, but oh, darn it. We're just gonna put you on the seaweed so that you get out of my life. For a first attempt, not too impressed, I'm not gonna lie. This is it. I'm gonna do one of these. Oh, okay, well, onigiri number one. Hands are wet. I'm gonna get some salt, a bit of this, some in here. Maybe I'll just make it into a ball first. And then from there, I think the water definitely helped, but I don't want to hold this in my hands for too long because I feel the more I'm working it, the more it starts to fall apart. So that's going to be it. This is going to hold everything together, and no, it won't. Everything's falling apart. My life is falling apart. I'll just hide that one in the back. Okay, a million more to go, it feels. This is the best looking one I've done so far. Isn't it beautiful? Cool, so those are those three. And now what I wanted to do was try out some of this rice mix. And I think I'm gonna put some avocado in it. Oh, wait, shiny side out? I don't think so. Wait, is it? So shiny side, rough side. What was I doing? No. How much of it do I use, do you think? Like enough? It's crunchy. There's something crunchy in here and I like it. Into this. I'm a fan. If anyone knows what's in this, just let me know. Well, how would you? This is the bag. Report back, please. We are feeling brave. We're feeling good. We're wetting our hands. Some salt. And then make a well. And all I can do right now is make a ball. So how are they doing this whole triangle business? This is good enough, yeah? Great. I'm gonna bring this down, bring this down. This is actually the best part. Oh no. Well, whatever. I think of all the recipes that I've made so far, I am most eager to master this one. Oops. Oops, now I'm making a mess. I got confident. I gotta say I did. I finished. These are my itty bitty baby onigiri. They're not perfect, but they are made with the best intentions. My kitchen's a mess now. I don't even know how. I came into this recipe feeling so confident. I was like, this is gonna be easy. I'm gonna have fun with it. And like, here I am. I messed up pretty hardcore. I always end these videos looking really flustered and the kitchen's a wreck and I'm broken spirited, but whatever, it's fine. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna try my tuna mayo with the rice seasoning. Again, if you know what's in this, just let me know. It's cute. And I put tuna on top to let me know which ones are the tunas and which ones are the avocados. It's kind of a salty experience and like a sweet one too. Super confusing. The rice mix is really good. I am not overwhelmed. I don't want to say I'm overwhelmed by the flavors that are happening right now, but there's a lot going on. I have the soy sauce and the tuna mixed with like the kewpie mayo, mixed with the like over sugared rice and this seasoning. So I'm not really sure what I'm eating, but I'm into it. I'm not angry at it. I think this will definitely get better now that I know what not to do. I mean, first try, I mean, pretty impressed. No, I'm not. I could have done way better for my first try, but hey, thank you so much for watching this video. And please do let me know what, I mean, I know what I did wrong, but if you saw anything else that could be remedied for the future, just let me know. Okay, cool. Bye.